Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and my today's video is gray eyeshadow. So let's start. I'm going to start with the Blue Heaven lip balm and it smells so good. I'm going to use Mars primer. After that I'm going to take a drop, rub it nicely on my fingers and then spread it all over my face. This is a very important step as the primer protects your skin from all the layers of makeup that you're going to put on your face, and it also helps in spreading your makeup nicely. Now I'm going to use the Stake Worky foundation. I'm using a brush to blend it out. I love using brushes instead of sponges as brushes give better coverage compared to a sponge. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm going to apply it on my face and then again blend it out with a brush. And after that I'm going to use the Mars blusher palette. I am going to take a medium pink shade and apply it on my cheeks, little bit on my chin and my nose as well. And then I'm using the Swiss Beauty highlighter palette. With the brush I'm going to take the silver shade and apply a little bit on my cheeks, my nose, my chin, my brow bone and my forehead. And then I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. I'm using the SFR color eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take a broad brush and apply a skin like color in my crease, and after that I'm going to take a medium sized blending brush and apply dark gray shade a little lower in my crease. After that I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to be placing the black color in the outer corner. I'm going to pack it nicely in my outer corner, and then I'm using a smaller blending brush and then I'm blending my outer corner nicely. Now I will take a light gray shade and apply it on my eyelid. After that I'm going to take the white color and apply it in my inner corner. My outer corner gets a little messy sometimes, so I use a concealer to clean all the mess and make it sharp and clean. I prefer a sharp corner, so I'm going to clean it nicely and make it really sharp and nice. And then I'm going to blend this eyeshadow even further. That's how it looks on one eye. Now I will repeat the same procedure on the other eye as well. You can make this look as dramatic or as subtle as you feel like. I would prefer to keep it a little simple today. And here's the final look with the eyeliner and a little bit lipstick on my lips. I hope you liked today's look, and if you did, please leave a comment. And thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.